Hello all, welcome to Project Helpers channel. Here is the mini project for beginners, that is QR code generator. Let's first see through the code and requirements, then we'll see how it works. We need two modules that has to be previously installed. One is TK and other is QR code. TK is graphical user interface. This is easy way of creating UI apps. We can also use PyQt5 for this. And QR code is used to generate the QR code image. Now we'll be running it. In this text, we have to enter the text what has to be converted into QR code. So we are giving us project helpers. The location is the same location I am giving. The name we can have it as title. The size we can have any number. And once we click on generate code, the QR code will be saved successfully. And then we can see the QR code, title generated for the QR. So through mobile, we can see how it is generated. Now first we'll open the Google Lens and keep over the image. Ensure that we are placing over the title.png image. Now on clicking search, we can find the text as project helpers. Thank you for watching. Happy building.